Days on market in Niceville went up 200%, the median sold price in Shalimar went down quite a bit, and the Jay Odom Group plans to build how many hotels in the area? We'll go over this and more in this month's Market Minute. All right, for the month of December 2023, we'll start in Fort Walton Beach, where the median price of a single-family home sold for $335,000, virtually unchanged from November when it's $336,000. There were 52 properties sold in December. That's up from 42 in November. Average list to sold price ratio, 97.67%, virtually unchanged from the previous month. Median days on market was 24. Median price per square foot was $212. That's just up $2 from November. Active listings, the median list price was $349,900. That's up just a little bit from $345,000 in November. And there were 141 active listings in December. And in November, there were 153 active listings. For new listings in December, the median list price was $354,900. In November, it was $320,000. There were 46 new properties listed in December, and that's down a bit from November when there were 72, but that usually happens around the holidays in December. Key details for Fort Walton Beach: just over 2 months supply of inventory, list to sold price ratio 97.7%, median days on market 24, and the median sold price $335,000. To Shalimar, where the median sold price was $345,000, that's down a bit from the previous month when it was $468,000. 11 properties sold in December in Shalimar. That is down just one from the previous month when it was 12. Average list to sold price ratio, 98%. That's virtually unchanged from the previous month. Median days on market was 42, and that's up significantly from when it was only 13 days in November. Median price per square foot was $209, and that's up from $201 in November. For active listings, the median list price was $540,000, and that's up from $500,000 in November. There were 34 properties sold in Shalimar in December, and that's down 10 from November when there were 44. For new listings, the median new list price was $394,950. That's down a bit from November when it was $474,450,000. So key details for Shalimar in December: month supply of inventory just under 2.5 months, list to sold price ratio just over 98%, median days on market was 42, and the median sold price was $345,000. Over to Esther, where the median sold price was $341,000. That's down a little bit from November when it's $360,000. There were 10 properties sold in December, and that's up doubled from November when there were only 5. List to sold price ratio is down just a little bit. It's just under 97%. Previous month was just over 98%. Median days on market was 14, and that's half what it was the previous month when it was 28. Median price per square foot was $208, up just a little bit from November. It was $204. For active listings, the median list price was just under $430,000, and that's up a little bit from November when it's $399,000. There were 39 active listings in December, and that's down from 53 in November. For new listings, the median list price went up a little bit at $432,000. In November is $362,500. There were 13 new listings in December, and that's down from 22 in November. So key details for Esther: just over 2 months supply of inventory, list to sold price ratio 97%, median days on market right at 2 weeks, and the median sold price was $341,000. Going to Niceville, where the median sold price was $465,000. That's down from $500,000 in November. 27 properties sold in December, and that's down from 45 in November. List to sold price ratio went down a little bit. In November, it was almost 99%, and in December, it's just over 97%. Median days on market in December was 33, and that's up quite a bit from November when it was only 12 days. And the median price per square foot in Niceville was $244. That's down $5 from November when it was $249. For active listings, the median list price was $589,750, and that is down a little bit from November when it's $596,480. There were 98 properties sold in December, and that's down from November when 114 sold. And for new listings, the median list price was $469,900. That's down from $499,900 in November. There were 35 new listings in December, and that is down from November when there were 39. So key details for Niceville: just under 2 months supply of inventory, list to sold price ratio just over 97%, spent about 33 days on market with a median sold price of $465,000. And up to Crestview, where the median sold price was $310,000, down just a little bit from November when it was $314,490. 106 properties sold in Crestview in December. That's just up a few from November when there were 100. List to sold price ratio virtually unchanged at 98.67%. Median days on market was 56, and that's up quite a bit from November when it was 33 days on market. Median price per square foot was $181. That's up just $2 from November when it was $179. For active listings, the median list price was $331,900. That's up less than $2,000 from November. There were 440 active listings in December, up just a little bit from November when there were 431. For new listings, the median list price was $329,900, up from $319,900 in November. There were 131 new properties listed in December. That's down from 159 in November. So key details for Crestview: a little over 3.5 months supply of inventory, list to sold price ratio 98.7%, median days on market was 56, and the median sold price was $310,000. So what's all this tell us? Well, if you're looking to sell, prices are maintaining pretty well. Days on market have gone up a little bit. Price it right, expect to be on market for a few weeks to maybe a month or two, and you'll have it sold. If you're looking to buy around here, make a strong offer maybe just a little less than asking price, and you should be on your way to new home ownership. This from getthecoast.com, a really cool, informative local website I encourage you to check out. In an article from Jared Williams, Odom Hotelz, that's with a Z, is a new hospitality group owned by a real estate developer, the Jay Odom Group, and they plan to open 6 hotels in Okaloosa, Walton, and Bay counties starting this year. The hotels will operate under the IHG, Hilton, and Marriott brands, but aim to provide an elevated guest experience that goes beyond typical brand standards, according to the Jay Odom Group. Jay Odom said the hotels will offer higher pay to attract passionate, service-oriented staff. They also plan to make the property stand out with exterior paint colors not typical of their brands, abundant landscaping, and spacious bar areas aimed at serving local businesses and social communities. We've stepped outside the traditional paradigm of brand owners and hotel owners to create a non-formula franchise, Odom said. The first Odom Hotelz property will open in a community that hosts large conferences, so it will have 4,500 square feet of meeting space. That's about 5 times more than its brand usually offers. We're determined to make our standard the new standard, Odom said. The Jay Odom Group, founded in 1987, is a major real estate developer in the Florida Panhandle with a portfolio that includes residential communities, retail centers, offices, and other hospitality properties. If you have questions about the area, my contact information is down in the description, or if you're interested in netting the most possible when selling here, feel free to reach out. Here's another video to check out. Thanks for watching.